Hello everybody, my name is Lisa, a movie lover too. For movie or TV show lover, sometime you may fail to download Disney Plus videos, or you have downloaded movies or episodes on Disney Plus but cannot play it. To download Disney Plus video for watching on Windows or Mac computer, you can use iMovie Tool, which can help you save movies and episodes as MP4 or MKV format, so that you can watch Disney Plus videos offline. iMovie Tool, Disney Plus Video Downloader is a fast, full-featured, professional Disney Plus video downloading tool to download movies, TV shows to MP4 at ease. Only few clicking, you can download Disney Plus videos to MP4 or MKV with high quality on computer. Let's watch the detailed video guide. Launch iMovie Tool Video Downloader on your computer and wait for it to load into the main interface. The software can download videos from Netflix, Amazon Prime, Disney Plus, HBO Max, Hulu, Apple TV Plus, Paramount Plus, YouTube, and other social media sites. Select Disney Plus download feature. The software will pop up a login window. Please log in your Disney Plus account. Enter the email address you have subscribed to Disney Plus service and the correct password. After login your Disney Plus account, please select a role that you want and load into the Disney Plus homepage. Now you can view all movies, series, and originals from the built-in Disney Plus web browser. There are two ways to add videos to download. You can directly search and add videos from built-in web browser. I skip this method. The second method, please clicking the top search menu, please input the video title or keyword to search video that you need. In the searching result, you can view all videos before downloading. The iMovie tool supports multilingual interface. Click the top language option. You can change the language interface. Clicking preference option, you can select the MP4 or MKV as output format. Set the output video quality, video codec, audio language, subtitle language. Set the subtitle saved as soft subtitles, hard subtitles or external subtitles option. Download speed, the output folder, and other setting option. Then, please close the setting windows and go back to the searching result, find a video that you need to download and clicking download button. For downloading episodes, you need to select the episode you want to download and then click download button to add them into the downloading list. iMovie tool supports batch download videos from Disney Plus. You can search and add more videos to the downloading list during downloading process. Please wait patiently until the entire download process is completed. After downloading finished, please open the output folder. You can get the MP4 video files. Now, you can play this downloaded videos offline. That's all. I hope this iMovie tool downloader can help you.